stop paying for AI tools. Seriously. While everyone is arguing about which $20 AI chatbot is better, Google quietly released something absolutely insane, and it's completely free. And honestly, students are going to abuse this tool. It's called Notebook LM. Just open Chrome, or honestly, any browser works, and search for Notebook LM. This AI is basically your new study assistant. You upload your notes, PDFs, documents, or study material, and AI instantly reads, summarizes, and organizes everything for you. You don't even need to go through hundreds of pages manually anymore. But here's where things get crazy. You click Audio Overview, and Notebook LM instantly turns your notes into a podcast. Yes, literally a podcast. So instead of sitting and reading for hours, you can just listen to your study material while walking, relaxing, or doing anything else.
Say you look at the desk you're sitting at right now, or maybe the phone in your hand.
Honestly, this feature alone feels futuristic. Now imagine you're a visual learner. You don't just want summaries. You want to see the concepts visually. Well, Notebook LM can do that too. You click Video Overview, and AI generates a short animated explainer video based on your notes, in seconds. No editing, no designing, nothing. AI handles everything automatically. And it gets even better. You click Mind Map, and boom, AI creates a complete visual map connecting all your topics, ideas, and subpoints together. This makes revision way easier. And yes, it can even generate quizzes based only on your notes, which means AI is literally testing you using your own study material. That's honestly insane. So yeah, this might be one of the most powerful free AI tools students can use right now. And the scary part? Most people still don't know it exists. If you want more insane AI tools and future tech videos like this, subscribe and drop a like.